Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer quiz results from Outgrow into Google Sheets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer quiz results from Outgrow into Google Sheets, start by logging into your navigate to the dashboard where your quizzes are listed. Select the quiz for which you want to export the results. Click on the Results tab to view the participants' submissions. Once you are in the Results section, locate the Export button. Click on the Export button to download the results file. Choose the format in which you would like to export the results, such as CSV. After selecting the format, confirm your choice and download the file to your computer. Next, open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank sheet option. Once the new sheet is open, go to the File menu. From the drop-down, select Import. In the Import dialog, click on Upload and choose the CSV file you downloaded. After uploading, select how you want to import the data into your sheet. You can choose to replace the current sheet or insert it into the existing one. Click Import Data to complete the process. The quiz results will now appear in your Google Sheets. You can format and analyze your data as needed from here. Remember to save your changes regularly. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred quiz results from Outgrow into Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.